Wake up, Lawrence.
Who's there?
Look what you've done.
Did I kill? Is she dead? Is this hell?
What is hell? What is heaven? What's in your name? Heaven is hell, is heaven, 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 is hell, is heaven.
You're the devil! You're Satan himself!
Wrong. Predictable, but wrong.
You get away from her right now! Oh! 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 How? What are you?
I'm a doctor. I deal in plagues. What are you, James Kentridge?
Don't call me that! That ain't my name no more!
What's in a name, James? I know no rules.
Go fuck yourself! I ain't afraid of you!
You know what I find frightening, James? Let me give you a hint. It's not the decaying corpses walking the earth. No, James, what really makes my knees quiver and my heart boil and my stomach juices is the fact that all of this is utterly pointless. Nothing means anything. Not even what you did.
Shut up! God has a plan for us all!
No, James. There is no rhyme, no reason. Why do the dead live again? Because they do. Why is the safety blanket of the weak-willed?
You are the devil!
What do you want, James?
I don't want nothing out of you!
Try again.
Oh! Why am I so cold?
You're ill, James.
Was I bit?
Your infection festers far beneath the surface. I can cut it out of you. But nothing is free, James. This is America.
What's it cost?
You will know.
What does that mean?
Pay attention.
What does that mean, you cocksucker?
Wake up, James.
Who's there?
We have arrived.
Well, ain't this a picturesque little getaway?
Where is everyone?
It's Sunday, ain't it? I hear Perugino's pious to a fault. I'm sure they're all off counting their blessings.
Shut up, Doc.
It appears to be empty. Perhaps they received word of the infection and left.
Maybe. I don't know. Doesn't look like there's been a train through here for quite some time.
Or perhaps.
Don't!
I am sorry. You were hoping for more.
No, it's pretty much what I expected. Thank you, Lieutenant. Would have been a nightmare without you.
I did what I could. We have no food and little water. I will search the town for supplies. You two stay here. A train may yet come.
Well, I'll come with you. You're gonna need someone to watch your back.
No, Adele, that's insane. You're staying here.
I'm sorry, Doc. I forgot when you got the right to tell me shit.
Adele. Think of your condition.
What does he mean, your condition?
It ain't important.
Would you like to know? Why, she's
Doc, don't.
She's wearing the bustle wrong, as they say.
What?
Damn it, Doc!
She's fucking pregnant. Knocked up. With child. Take your pick.
Is that true? Stay.
Oh, don't give me that look, Missy. It's insane to risk 2 lives just so you can play the hero.
And you're the expert on fucking motherhood?
I don't get you, Adele. Here we are at the end of everything and you're charging into battle like some kind of barbarian. What kind of mother gets herself eaten or shot or God knows what else for no reason at all?
Fuck you!
You are going to bear a child, Adele. For all we know, you may be the last new mother on this godforsaken planet. You gotta sort yourself out.
Shut the fuck up, Doc!
Adele.
I could have done it, Doc. It ain't even hard. I killed my best friend and it didn't feel like much of anything at all. If I wasn't damned before, I sure as hell am now. It wasn't even hard.
You did what you had to do, Adele. That's all.
You should leave me alone. I ain't fit for company right now.
I can't do that. Besides, you pull my sorry ass out of the fire.
Yeah.
You did what you had to, Adele. Thank you for that.
Am I supposed to say you're welcome?
Hey, what do you think the chances are Geronimo comes back with a bottle of something sweet, huh? Ah! Adele!